Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Hanif Brohi. My father's name is Mohammad Aslam Brohi, and my roll number is 38. And I am the student of BS English, batch 2020. And here I am going to present the presentation of my subject, human rights. Well, first topic that we have is Universal Declaration of Human Rights, and you can see, the slide that I have composed on Universal Declaration of Human Rights, and I'm going to, just present, the topic. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights is a milestone document in the history of human rights. Uh, it sets out for the first time fundamental human rights to be universally protected, and it was established in December 10, 1948. So now number 1, UDHR and government. The government should enact laws that will protect and ensure that human rights and freedom of individuals are maintained. Well, number second topic is significance of UDHR. The UDHR provides a common standard achievements for all peoples and all nations. Every individual and every organ of society shall promote respect for their rights of freedoms by progression measure. So, third one is UDHR articles. All human are born free and equal in dignity and rights. They are ended with reasons and conscience and should act towards another in a spirit of brotherhood. Number second is everyone is entitled to all the rights and freedoms set forth in this declaration. Everyone has right to life, liberty, and security of persons. No one shall be held in slavery or servitude. Now, no one shall be tortured, cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment or punishment. Number 6 is right to recognition as a person before the law. All are equal before the law. Right to an effective remedy. No arbitrary arrest, detection, or exile. Right to fair and public hearing by independent and impartial tribune. Right to be presumed innocent. No arbitrary interference with family, home correspondence. Right to freedom of movement and resigns right to leave away country. Right to seek asylum from cremation. Right to nationality. Men and women of full age have the right to marry and a right as to marriage during marriage and its dissolution free consent. Right to own property alone or in a group. Right to freedom of thought. Number 19. Conscience and religion freedom to change the religion. Right to peaceful assembly and association. Right to take part in the government. Right to social security. Right to work and better working conditions. Right to form trade unions. Right to rest and leisure. Right to standard of having adequate for health and well-being, motherhood, childhood, etc. Right to education free in elementary stages. Right to participate in social and cultural scientific events. Everyone is entitled to social and international order, duties and limitations. Number 30. Last interpretation. And another topic is human right issues. In Pakistan, I have underlined these basic human right issues: freedom of expression and attacks on civil society, freedom of religion and belief, women's and children's rights, death penalty, terrorism, and law enforcement. These are some of the major human rights issues that have been, um, that have been continuing in Pakistan from very beginning. Culture and its types. Let me tell you what really culture is. Culture is the characterize and knowledge of a particular group of people, encompassing language, religion, social habits, music, arts. So, here, there are two basic types of culture. The two basic types of culture are material culture, physical things produced by society. So, another topic is socialization and personality. Agencies of socialization. There are five basic agencies of socialization, but here I have expressed four, four of them. Number one, the family. The family gets the first, hence the process of socialization begins in the family. A child is born with some basic abilities that are go individually transmitted through germplasm. These abilities and capacities are shaped in ways determined by culture. Number second is the school. When the children comes to the school, his formed indoctrination into the culture of the society begins. He is exposed to a wider background than hitherto known to him. He is formally introduced to live and learning the values and beliefs, the tables of the society form a wider circle. His teacher play a very significant role. Third one is book. In literature, societies, another important agency of socialization, is printed word in books and magazines. Our cultural ways, experience and knowledge revolves and beliefs, separations and prejudice is expressed in words. And number 4 is the mass media. Apart from newspaper which carry printed words, the two other mass media, the radar and television, exercise tremendous influences in the socialization process. They assault our ears and communicate directly their messages, and these messages also contain in capsule from the premises of our culture is attitudes and ideologies. So they assault our ears and communicate directly their messages, and these messages also contain in capsule from the premises of our culture is attitudes and ideologies.